Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Manesar, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you perceive scanning technology. With their expertise in cutting-edge scanning techniques and state-of-the-art equipment, Scon Design India Private Limited has established itself as a leader in the field of 3D scanning services. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from its competitors is their unwavering commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of precision and accuracy in 3D scanning, and they leave no stone unturned to deliver results that exceed your expectations. With their team of highly skilled professionals, they ensure that every scan is done with utmost care and attention to detail, resulting in high-quality scans that capture even the smallest intricacies. Whether you need 3D scanning services for industrial design, reverse engineering, or quality control purposes, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Their comprehensive range of services caters to various industries, including automotive, aerospace, architecture, and more. No matter how complex or challenging your project may be, their team of experts will work closely with you to understand your requirements and deliver solutions that are tailored to your needs. In addition to their exceptional scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd also provides post-processing and data analysis services. This means that you not only get accurate 3D scans, but also receive valuable insights and actionable information from the data collected. With their advanced software and tools, they can help you analyze the scan data and make informed decisions that drive your business forward. Furthermore, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of timely delivery. Are you looking for the best 3D scanning services in Manesar, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Limited is revolutionizing the way we capture and recreate objects in a three-dimensional form. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to excellence and precision. They understand the importance of accuracy when it comes to 3D scanning, whether it's for industrial applications, product design, or even art restoration. With their advanced scanners and software, they can capture every minute detail of an object with utmost accuracy. This ensures that the final 3D model is an exact replica of the original, allowing for seamless integration into various design processes. Another reason why Scon Design India Private Ltd is the go-to choice for 3D scanning services in Manesar, Delhi NCR is their quick turnaround time. Time is of the essence in today's fast-paced world, and Scon Design India Private Ltd understands that. They prioritize efficiency and strive